always wanted to be a nurse my entire life. I chose SJVC because I've heard great things. I have a lot of friends who are nurses right now. They work at the hospital and they loved going through the program.
SJVC does a really good job at preparing students for the nursing field because they have the time for the theory and then they have the time for application. If they're in beginning, they may be learning the basics like a bed bath or changing a bed or the linen. And then as they advance, they go into more advanced skills.
Through our skills lab, students practice those different techniques that nurses use in a safe manner so that they're able to provide safe and efficient care once they're out in the field on their own. It prepares them in a variety of ways, not only just giving them the knowledge, but the skill set that's required to be successful.
It's an accelerated program, but there's so much support for the students.
Every single faculty member makes themselves available to help the students succeed. We're there to support them in any way we can so that they're successful.
The beautiful thing about nursing is you're exposed to so many different fields. And I actually was offered 2 student nurse intern positions and I took endoscopy. Like I never thought I would be in endoscopy. And I love the workflow there. I love the staff, the nurses, just interacting with patients. And so I start there next month. So I'm excited about that.
I love being a nurse and it's one of the best things that I've done, and I encourage people that are thinking about it to do the same.
This program has done more than prepare me for my career. It's getting me ready for life in general.
You learn and grow and you surprise yourself every day, and you have support from your staff, from your classmates.